Probably on one side we'll have the hours on this window and the Facebook, Instagram, and everything on this window. But you guys can see. Oh my gosh, who put that there? I just about busted my. What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. I'm hopping in the car. I'm about to take you guys for an update on the new barbershop. I'm gonna show you guys they're putting the sign up today. The HVAC is going in, the walls are going up. I don't know what else we're gonna see, but we're gonna head over that way. Philip is backing out right now. We're heading over there, see what we got. All right, y'all, so we just got here. Unfortunately, they haven't made a lot of progress. So they came by, they put the center point up there, they put a little bracket in. I guess they're taking a lunch break. So we got about an hour's worth of work. They mounted a little bracket. You guys won't be able to see it. Yeah, you can see it. But there's a little bracket, that's where it's called a raceway. It's gonna be a beam that goes across the middle of the sign, and then the letters will actually attach to that. So I guess they're on lunch break, and they're gonna come back and put the rest of the sign up. I'm gonna come by after the shop closes, and hopefully it's done. It'll be about 5 o'clock, so I got about 5 more hours, and I'll come by and show you guys the sign. But anyway, I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna show you guys around, as of right now, what it looks like, and it's looking pretty sweet, guys. I'm pretty excited. So Philip's got to head out. I'm gonna come back and get the sign for you guys later. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, guys, so this is the shop. This will be the barbershop side. You guys can see the HVAC guys are here. We just got done chatting with a few of them. That's gonna be the air coming through the middle. I would guess there's gonna be some stuff coming off the sides of that. This is the barbershop side. So you guys picture 7 chairs down each side. They will finish up the drywall and all that once the plumbing is through. So you guys will walk straight through, come through the back here. We will start out, you guys know we have 5 and 5 right now, so we're gonna leave the front empty and the back empty. So there'll be 5 chairs down this wall, 5 chairs down this wall, and then later we can add some more. So back here, these guys are working on the shampoo bowl and the sink plumbing. So that would be a shampoo bowl and sink. I'm gonna do a mural on this back wall right here. You guys head around this back corner. This is nobody really gonna see this, but this will be the back door. Bathroom number 1, bathroom number 2. See if I can get through here. Guys, this is the break room. I know y'all gonna be, my guys are spoiled. Let me get past all this stuff. So this will be laundry right here, guys. We will have washer, dryer. Maybe put the fridge in here, I'm not really sure. Washer and dryer hookups over there. Do laundry, wash towels and cakes. And then this will be the break room, guys. So break room about back to where that tool chest is. There's them yahoos in the window. Anyway, guys, break room. This will be, we're gonna put a fridge, sink right here, fridge. They're supposed to put a crossbar. We will have a TV on this sidebar right here. And then probably right where this floor is, where this crack is right here, this will be a couch facing that way. And then this corner will be my office. So I'm gonna start doing my editing and stuff back here by the window. And then potentially later, if we fill the shop up, I will make that window a door, put my chair right here, and rent out the rest of the shop. So you guys can see it though. It's coming along. They got to finish. You guys can see the plumbing in the walls right here. We got to finish the plumbing in the walls, and the electrical will be next, going through all these walls for all the outlets and all that. Then we'll do some drywall, paint the ceilings, paint the walls, and should be ready to go. All right, guys. Woo, it's super bright and warm in Kentucky finally. Guys, I'm gonna grab a pizza over here. This is AZ Pizza that I told you about. Head back to the shop. I got about 4 more heads, and then I will come back by here in a little bit, and hopefully the sign's done. I can show you guys the sign. So big old Clutch logo right there. It's gonna be super hype. We'll check back in a little bit. Holy, this thing looks crazy. Oh my God. All right, guys, I just popped back up. There's the sign. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, guys, it's 6 foot, about 14 foot. You guys can see right above the door. Next level, one of the biggest signs that my guys have ever done. And guys, I want to tell you guys about the windows. We are going to do the mesh windows like the new shop. Matter of fact, let me take you guys back. All right, guys, so this is the mesh that I'm talking about. You can see the ring lights going through it, but you guys can tell you really can't see in the shop. I'm gonna take you guys inside and I'll show you. You can see out. So the windows will be the same as these guys as far as the mesh goes, but it will be a new design. So you guys can't really see, but in this area behind me, it's like a gray and black pattern. You can't really see it right now with the K in the middle, and I'll show you guys the layout of the new windows, but it will be the same idea, guys. And then we will have black and white barber poles. I'll go show you those in a second, and those will be on each side of the door, and I'll show you guys where those are. Here's the barber poles I told you guys I was gonna show you. I'm not gonna take it all the way out, but you guys can see black and white stripes. We're gonna do the black and white this time. Then we're gonna do the red, white, and blue. You know, the red, white, and blue, I can dig it, guys. It's traditional. I gotta dig on the tradition of barbering, but you guys know here at Clutch, we do things different. So we're gonna rock the black and white on each side of the door. It's gonna be next level. But anyway, let's get back to the new spot. So anyway, guys, the windows, probably up top, it's gonna say something like Barbershop or Walk-ins Welcome. Up here, the K will span the whole door. So the Clutch K will cover the whole door. Probably on one side, we'll have the hours on this window and the Facebook, Instagram, and everything on this window. But you guys can see. Oh my gosh, who put that there? I just about busted my. Anyway, guys, there is the sign. Oh my goodness, it looks crazy. Guys, we're about to throw down in this shop. We wanted to make a statement. Best shop in town, 5 years in a row, no question. Hope you guys like it. I'll bring you back soon and show you guys the finished product on the inside, but the sign is up, and when it's lit, we'll come back over here and check it out. So anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. Catch you next time.